Shopify Dawn Theme Dropdown Menu. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to have your menu be converted into a drop-down. So over here right now, as you can see on our screen, we're currently in our Shopify Dawn Theme. And what we're going to do is we're going to select our header or the specific section where you have a menu. Looking over here on the right section, you can see our different settings over here. So as you can see, we have the menu over here. So if you click on menu, this is where you'll be able to modify what type of menu you are utilizing here. But you can see here, you can see desktop menu type. As you can see here, it's currently in drop down. So you can choose between the different options over here, whether it's drawer, mega menu, and drop down. So it's not appearing right now on my screen since my menu is not populated and everything that you're seeing right now is basically a new fresh website. But this is where you will be able to ensure that you have a drop down menu on your Shopify Dawn theme. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.